Great listings. That's not an items that you'd expect to see in a room. This is some chairs, side table, you got some flowers, picture, regular stuff. So I would assume this is built in. So these are built-in cabinets, they're not going anywhere. Now you have nice remodeled bathroom. Now you have this room, and yeah, a lot of the thing is staged. Once you see that, so a lot of things is staged. It's a great view for the what is this, horse racing. I remember back in the day we've done a lot of jobs like that with some of this Solana Beach properties. So in the garage here, you can see there's some things that needs to be moved, and there is some things that stays in here, usually like construction things like flooring, any type of paint, any type of oil usually stays in the garage for the next person. So if you ever buy in a house, like you don't have to actually grab with you a lot of stuff that is for the repair of that house, that for the old house that you already sold, right? So sometimes we do have people who like to grab it, and that's why we're very big on educating people that it's better to leave paint and oil and stuff for the previous owner together with the house. And even if you sold this house, you probably not need to use any oil or paint for your other house. So that's something that I found out that is interesting. Okay, so the great house, probably say you need 3 movers just in case. I'd say 6 to 8 hours you need for them to do it. Obviously we can send also 2 movers. We charge $129 per hour, and if you don't have that much stuff, some of the stuff staged, some of the stuff, let's say, belongs to another realtor or another company, then you'll be just looking on 2 movers for this particular move. Again, great listing. We hope it sells. Congratulations to Fredda Ponce for putting this listing under contract, and let's go check another one.